Hey guys, today I am at Pine Creek and gonna see if there's any bass out here. There's quite a few people out here, so let's go give it a shot. So this is where I'm at right now. So let's go see if there's any luck out there, huh? See you guys in a bit. Man, it's hot right now. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. It's crazy hot. But hopefully I can catch something today. First cast. Bird nest already. Wow. It's been a while since I used a bait caster.
Okay. Go. Go.
What? The water got deeper.
Just fish to the right, bud. Shit, that's a big ass striper. Right there.
Looks like some fish been jumping around here, but
Dude, somebody just wasted a big ass striper right there. See that?
I haven't seen it.
Look at it, dude. It's huge.
Oh dang. Yeah.
Damn.
That sucks.
Thanks.
It's fine. Just fish right here on the. Unhook yours one. Go. Yeah? Yeah, like a lost darky probably.
Wow.
Fish, zombie fish floating around, get lost.
I know, I've been seeing fish, bass jumping around here, but haven't had any luck yet.
Striper fishing's been hot. Really? Yeah, top water at dark. Damn. All the way about Orban, or is it? How far do you guys go? We'll go down today for salmon, but striper's been good up. By Irvine? Yeah, Irvine Finch, a little bit above Scotty's even, up past the ramp.
Wow.
Yeah, it makes me want to go do some striper fishing. Man, it's salmon season.
Yeah.
It's so slow though, man. I know. We're still getting them though. We still get a few here and there.
Yeah. You can always do striper later.
Yeah. My freezer's filling up already.
That's good.
But no roe, I need some ends.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty slow too.
Oh, it's super bad. Normally I'd be there every day. I wouldn't even come to this place. I'd rather be there, honestly. But
Yeah.
it's so slow there.
They're not letting any water out there.
Yeah, it's cold though. And there's a few fish caught every morning out of the outlet, but not for how many people were
Are
there.
they so?
There was nobody there this morning. My
Are they
buddy
still
Rob.
throwing blue fox, or are they
Yeah.
flossing?
Oh, well, right now there isn't enough flow to floss. There's only like a couple spots to floss.
Yeah.
And then we got a couple on blue foxes at the beginning of the year, and then it just died off. But over on the Vance side, there's like 1 or 2 fish caught almost every morning.
Oh shit.
If there's a bunch of guys, there was nobody there this morning. My buddy took me a picture.
Yeah.
He's all, I had the whole place to myself until this one guy showed up over on the island.
Damn.
Stay in here.
Yeah, my buddy caught like what 2 so far within like not too long ago, but he said they were throwing blue fox, but they changed the weight out on the blue fox.
Yeah, you gotta make them heavy.
Yeah. That's what
Get
he
down
said
there,
too.
get down there to the bottom. Real slow.
Yeah. You're getting bit, dude.
You don't leave him up there yet?
No. Getting this. Leave him.
You got a couple minutes. You got a couple minutes.
Oh yeah, it's right there.
Just don't go swimming.
Man, I brought my fan today, dude.
Feel like a champ.
Man, that's the difference between all day and all night. Scaring all the fish over to you.
There goes your coat, dude.
Oh, you had them too, dang it.
Did that guy just leave without his kayak?
I don't know. I think he went to park somewhere.
You want to caught one?
Nah. I caught some leaves and some junk.
That's it.
Yep. I know. I didn't even notice it was there. I know it was smelling, but I didn't even know it was there.
At least throw it back in the water, dude.
Yep. So,
On Facebook, man.
yeah,
Start
it's,
sharing your link on like 530 Fishing or some shit like that.
oh yeah, I will eventually, because we only started, this is like gonna be like our 4th episode from this year.
Yeah.
But yeah, we've been just catching it and cooking it right there on the spot.
Is it kind of like a multiple owner Facebook page, or is it?
Nah, just mine, but
They fish a lot too?
not really, only when we go.
Uh-huh.
And we ask them to tag along with us, but not always. Usually just my brother and I.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys from around here?
Yeah, we're in Chico.
Okay.
Yeah. How about you?
Hamilton. I used to live in Chico, but we live in Hamilton now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like 10 minutes between Orland and Chico right there.
Yeah.
They eat anchovies
What?
and bluegills.
They eat bluegills?
Mm-hmm.
They eat bluegills? That's yummy. This is nice. This one, I'm eating it. You can hide from me. Get back in.
Here, Darius.
Ooh! Whoa! Yeah, okay.
Well, no fish, but you know what? I had a good time. It was peaceful out here. I'm just gonna go try a little bit down the stream a little bit, and if I don't catch anything, then we'll call it a day, and we'll do it again some other time. See you guys shortly.